I love watching people's stories. I love seeing where people are going. Oh, guess what she's just done? Yes, I'm going back to Sharm el Sheikh. I've just, look how red my face is. I've spent ages trying to figure that out. Let me break it down for you, what exactly it is I've done, what I've booked, where I'm going, when I'm going. And are you coming with me? Oh, I'm so excited. I literally just clicked it just now. Booked it with Love Holidays. Not done that before. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So hello, yes, as you have just seen, I've done something crazy. This is a big announcement video that you've all been waiting for. I know, especially a few of you. I'm going to be going back to Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt. Couldn't be more excited for it. It's something that feels a little bit surreal. So I went there 2 years ago with Jasmine. I've been there many times before COVID. That was the first time that we went back post-COVID. And I've got so much to tell you. There's going to be a lot of hotels visited, a lot of trips taken, and I'm going to be living like a local. So for those of you who've seen my videos before, we went to Coral Sea Water World in Sharm el Sheikh. Absolutely loved the place. It's full of so much life and great service, and I couldn't say enough brilliant things about the place. And I would love to go back there again. I will be going there, but I'm not going there for the whole duration of the time. I'm going to be looking at some other hotels as well. Like I say, living like a local. I'm going to be renting a little flat. I'm going to be going shopping. I'm going to take you with me for all of these things. We're also going to be going up into the Bedouin camps. We're going to be doing the quad biking. We're going to be going out to the Red Sea on the boat. My plan longer term, I'm going to be getting a little bit deep on this channel within the next, in fact, would you have seen one of the videos? Maybe not. Maybe this is the first one, but there's going to be a couple more videos coming up. So we've just finished the Asia series, which was forever ago now. And you may notice, you may not, but during the summer months, I don't tend to travel. I tend to stay in the UK, catch up on things that I need to catch up on with work and stuff like that. And then I will, off season, I'll be going again. There's lots of reasons for that. Obviously, it's, you know, it's part of my job now. This is what I do, and it's a lot cheaper, so the accountant will be happier. And basically, it's generally a lot quieter, which suits me down to the ground, especially when I'm filming. So just to remind you guys, all of our hotels will be filmed as early in the morning as possible. So we will have daylight, etc., etc. But yeah, so this is the exciting part. If you wanted to come, if you're going to be in Sharm el Sheikh in December, not Christmas, be before Christmas, but if you're going to be there, please drop me a comment below, or in the description box you can find my email address, but I'll put it further up than I normally do. Drop me a little email to let me know, because we're going to be doing some group trips. Now, this is the first time that I've done this. If you wanted to come on any of the trips with me, let me know, and I'll let you know how you can book all of that. Also, if you wanted to go to Egypt the same time that I'm there, I'll leave a link below let's see if we can do it for all of Sharm el Sheikh hotels. But if you wanted to kind of meet up, I'm also I haven't been in touch with him yet, the guy that owns Arab Bucks. I know loads of you have been there. I like to stay in a town called Nabq. That's N-A-B-Q, and that's my favourite place to go, but I will be going to all the favourites. I'm going to go to, hopefully, but I'm going to want a chaperone for this, if I can go to Naama Bay to see all of the craziness that goes on there. Also, I'm going to be going to Soho Square. I've got myself a little driver to take me around, and it's all going to be so exciting. I think I'm going to leave no stone unturned in Sharm el Sheikh. I won't be going out further than Sharm this time. I'm probably going to go back at some stage and do the Cairo bit again. Done Cairo before, but I didn't do it as a tourist. I did it as a kind of more of a local person, and that was a bit scary. Literally just wanted to hop on, get you excited, because I'm excited. It's going to be a crazy time. Now, the deal that I found, it's the cheapest time of year to go. The deal that I found was just insane. I'm going to be going for 2 weeks, all inclusive, flights included and everything. I'm also going to be traveling light. I'm going to go hand luggage only, because I'm trying to do this on a big old budget so that I can see all the different hotels that I can book into. If you've got any suggestions or recommendations of hotels that you think I absolutely should go to, then do let me know in the comments. Let me know what your favourite hotel is in Sharm el Sheikh, and any other places that I haven't mentioned here that you think I should be going to. Do let me know. But like I say, I'll leave a link below. If you book through that link, it really helps me out. It really supports my channel. The amount of times that I get people all in my Facebook group saying to me, oh, I've been watching this Facebook group for months now. I've watched all of your videos. Thank you very much. And then went down the travel agents and booked with them. The travel agents are going to get paid for that. And if you was to use my link, it's just the same. No cloak and daggerness about it. I don't know why in the UK we're so suspect of all of that. I just mentioned that on my most recent podcast, which is getting actually actually, weirdly, hundreds and hundreds of views. I don't know what's going on there. So I've got a lot more things to share with you. I'm going to get very, very deep on this channel. I have got quite a lot to share that's more than just look at this hotel, this is what we've got. I'm gonna take you on my story, and I'll tell you for why. I love watching people's stories. I love seeing where people are going, what they're doing, how they're going to get from A to B. I just found a lovely lady recently. She's 39 years old. She's gone to Ibiza. She's considering living in Ibiza, but it's her journey of how to get from giving up her job to getting to work remotely to going and living in Ibiza. And she's just doing these little quick TikToks every day of like, okay, today I'm thinking this, and I stayed in this new place last night and I was a bit nervous, and all of that. I love that. Is that something that you would like to see, or do you literally just not care about seeing this and you just want the other side of the camera looking at hotel rooms? Because I can give you that, but I'm not too sure if that's quite the right thing that resonates with me and my books. So I am, you'll be excited to know, but it's not coming out for a while. I am writing a book called It's Time for Africa, and it will be maybe based on a true story, maybe not. I'm going to leave that one for you to decide, but that will be coming, and I do plan to try and get a bit of research done in relation to all of that and write some stuff down while I'm out there. So I'm going to be doing a lot of work. It's not all going to be playtime, but I'm hoping there's going to be time to walk down that shoreline. Oh my goodness me, have my feet in the water. It's not going to be totally swimming weather. It does get quite chilly at that time of year, and I'm always asked, what's the weather like? When you go sort of out of season, anything I'd say between sort of November and probably March, you're going to want some jumpers. You are going to want some jumpers. I mean, if you go this time of year, sort of, well, this time, if you go in the summer, all you're going to need is your bikinis, like 100%. But yeah, so it's not quite warm enough to be swimming. Depends. If you're hardcore, then maybe yeah. So let me know how you feel about that. How do you feel about traveling to Egypt? Where have you chosen to travel to? Like off season or next summer? Have you got places in mind that you're thinking about? Really interested to know what you've got in mind. A new country coming up really, really soon. Germany. Never been to Germany. Heiße Louise, Heißler, I can't remember how you say it now. I need to brush up on my German, very much so. Ich bin glücklich, I know that one. That means I am happy. I'm very happy to be going there, to be doing a bit more on my YouTube. We're nearly at 5,000 subscribers, probably by the time you see this we will be, which is so exciting for me. So do stay tuned. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on this Egypt series. I'm going to be running some lives from out of there, and I just cannot wait to bring it all to you. So let me know how you're doing. Leave the comments. Let me know if you want to come on the group trips. I'll organise those on days that you can make it. And you can be part of my little YouTube family, and we can come along, we can film it. It's just going to be great. I just can't wait. I'm so excited. So lots of love to you. Take care. Bye-bye for now.
On its edges, my pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is a city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show.
And we are excited to go out for our first evening and to get our dinner. And how are you feeling about it all, Jazz?
Very excited.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And me and Jack will get stony, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.